Are you ready for this? Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? No. You. Do you remember the play button on YouTube? Yeah, I remember. Oh my god. Hey, got me closer. I'll destroy more. Here's one, the precious baseball trophy. I'm gonna break yours. I'm gonna break yours. I'll break yours. Dad, where are you going? Unlock it. Unlock it. No, you started it. No, Dad, no, don't touch it. No, you started it. I'm unlock it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? No! You're making me on, Dad! 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 I'm gonna do that! You lost my video game! What's it done? What's it on? What's it on? What's it on? You ain't good, huh? Whoever stole my Wii U and everybody lose. Everybody's on now. No, get out of the house. I didn't have to leave, Mom. I didn't have to leave. Where were Easter? It started. Where were Easter? You're not. You said it for days. Where were Easter? You said sorry. Where Easter? You lied. You said it for days. No, you want Easter. No, Daddy, no. Oh, you don't go. Jesus Christ. You're not in the house. You need to stop filming. Put it down. Put it down. Don't tell him. Maybe you say put down. Then you destroy. But he started. No, he's not. He started. I didn't teach him anything. And he'd have to learn. To learn. Oh shit. I bought him my money. I need my money, huh? I need a Wii U. I bought him a Wii U. It's my money. And a Christmas present for him. I give him a Christmas present for him, for me.